Hello friends, welcome to my channel, My Healthy Options. Here I am having some moringa or drumstick leaves from my garden. I am going to cook it now. Moringa is very good for diabetes, for heart health, for skin and hair, for bone strength, for anemic patients. Also it has got vitamin C more than in oranges and 15 times more potassium as in bananas. Here I have got some shallots peeled and some dry chilies, coconut grated. This is the frozen one. I washed and cleaned the moringa leaves, removing all the sticks. I'm just going to crush it. I'm not going to cut it, just by hand. I don't know, they say you should not cut it with knives. If any of you know the reason, you can just comment it. Let me also know. Here I have taken a clay pot and added 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. I'm seasoning it with mustard. Once it starts to crackle, I'll add some black gram seeds, urad dal seeds, then I'll add some red chilies, dried ones, for some heat. You can also add green chilies if you want, but this way it is better. They say this moringa leaves has got 7 times more vitamin C than in oranges and 15 times more potassium than in bananas. It's also got calcium, iron, protein, antioxidants, and so many other health benefits. I've added some shallots. You should add plenty of shallots for this dish. It tastes well like that. So almost around 15 small shallots I have peeled and added. Adding some salt. You can add this moringa leaves to all your cuisines. You can grind them and make dosas, add them in your rotis or chapatis or other curries. You can make sambar out of it. You can make snacks. You can dry them in shade and make a powder and take it daily for diabetes control. You can make smoothies out of it, juice out of it. Whatever way you like, you should add it at least twice a week. You can take it daily also. I'm just crushing it with my hands, breaking it. That is enough, no need to cut with the knife. Since it is fresh from my garden, it is almost clean. I've added some cut garlic pieces. It is a very simple dish, but it is very tasty and very healthy. All South Indian Tamil homes make this dish almost twice a week. adding those crushed moringa leaves which are cleaned and washed. I cook this very often since I have it in my garden. So at least once in a week we cook this. So just saute it, keep sauteing till it is fully cooked. You can just slightly sprinkle some water if you need it well cooked, but I am not doing it. For me, like this it is better. It tastes better without water. So I am doing it this way. Just keep sauteing it, mixing everything. Check for the salt and add it if you need. Every South Indian home will have a moringa or drumstick tree in their house if they have a garden. The moringa tree is beneficial for many things. You can use the roots, the bark, the flowers, the pods, that is the fruit or the vegetable. It is a long pod. The leaves can be used. The young flowers are used in curry and also some dishes, South Indian dishes. It is also mixed with lentils and cooked. The moringa flowers are very good for eyesight. So after the leaves are cooked, I am adding some frozen coconut, scraped coconut. If it is a fresh coconut, you add it after putting off the stove. You don't have to cook the fresh coconut, but since I have only frozen coconut, I'm just cooking it a little. Otherwise the fresh coconuts taste well without cooking. That is all. Our dish is almost ready. I'm just waiting for the coconut to melt. So all of you try this dish. And also comment if you have some other dish with moringa leaves. I would also like to learn from you. So please do comment. This dish goes with rice as a side dish. We call it poriyal in Tamil. And this dish goes well with coconut oil and coconut on top. If all the ingredients are ready, you can make this dish within 10 minutes. This moringa leaves also, if eaten, clears your bowel. The whole system is cleared. It is like detoxifying your bowel system. Please do cook this dish and enjoy. We are going to enjoy this. you enjoyed this video, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you all for watching. See you in the next video.